How to create a portfolio with just one click with AI. What is a portfolio? Here on the screen is actually a portfolio display. And what is a portfolio? A portfolio is actually something every content creator or a business person needs. Something that can actually showcase, in layman terms, something that can actually showcase your skills, your creativity, your expertise in any field that you are. So as a content creator, you need a portfolio because that is how brands get to find you. When brands come to your page, they're looking for a paid deal, they want to pay you or they want you for a collabo, they go through your page. And if you don't have a link to a website or your page is actually not your portfolio, it is very difficult for brands to be able to get you. Before now, people pay from $500 to $1,000 for people to create portfolios for them. But I want to teach you how to create a portfolio today with just one click, just a simple prompt on an AI tool that is actually free of charge. Yes, I mean free of charge. And you can actually create a website as well for free. So let's go. Let me show you how to create that. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, because everything is possible with AI. My name is Okobuchi. I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, how to work with AI, and how to make money on social media. So let's go. Let me show you this one.
Okay, you come here, you just click Gamma AI. Okay, this is Gamma AI here. You click on it. Let's click and search what it gives us. Now this is it here. You click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, you wait. They ask you to sign up for free. You click on sign up for free. Now you can sign up with your email. I'll click on sign up, sorry, because I don't have an account. Continue with Google. I'll click on continue with Google and I'll choose an account. Then I continue. So once I get here, they say for work, for personal use, for educational purpose. Let's say for personal use, I'll just choose for personal use. Okay. Consultation, creators. Let's choose creator. Okay, then continue. Okay, they say create. Here you just have to fill create for search, turn your note into personality. Let's go. Okay. Create presentation from scratch. Turn my personal note into presentation. Build a website. Generate AI images. Okay, let's go. YouTube, TikTok. Okay, let's go to YouTube. I'll take YouTube. Now this is our site. They say generate, past in text, and here they say import file or URL. Okay, let's just say we click on generate, right? Now what do you want to generate? Presentation, website, or whatever. So here they say describe what you did like to make. Stop noise. Yeah, they say describe what you did like to make. Okay, I'll say create a portfolio. Create a portfolio for me. My account is about video editing and teaching AI. Right, so let's see what it gives. They say generate outline. Let's see. Okay, now here they say plus card. So we have they say creating a portfolio for your video editing and AI teaching account. About me, my background, my video editing capability, this, they have all those things. So here they said add card. Okay. Add card, you can add card if you want. Total card 9. So let's say if you don't want to add card, no need. But if you want to add card, you can add card. Now they say amount of text per card: brief, medium, detailed. Okay, I think we should go with We should go with detail. Yes, we'll go with detail. Amount of text per card. Let's go with details. So since we're having 9 cards, we should go with details, right? Now here they say AI images, AI image model, right? They're giving you the AI images, AI image model. This, let's see. Okay. AI image model, which one you want? So I think I will choose here. If you're choosing Leonardo, then you need to pay. So they're giving this flock fast because we are using for free, I guess, as of now, because it's a trial moment. It's a trial. So credit, we have 4,000 credits now. Okay, and this one creates 40 credits. So let's create. Continue. They say choose a theme. You can customize this letter. Okay. Click on generate. So after I did that correction, look at the website they gave me, right? Look at the website portfolio. Sorry, look at the portfolio they gave me. Wokobuchi portfolio. Read it carefully, right? Welcome to my portfolio. I am Wokobuchi and I'm specialized in video editing, visual editing, content creation, and working with AI apps to enchant my work. So let's go down. They say about me. They actually gave video editing. They talked about it. Visual editing. They talked about it. Oh my God, this app is good. Okay, this app is good. Like if you're going into content and you want to create a portfolio, mind you, this app is one app. I don't know if you guys know about portfolio, but yeah, as of now, if you're watching me, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you. So this app is massive. Content creation, AI apps, they're giving you with visuals. Now here they said my video editing skills, you see, and they gave somebody on a laptop with like on an app like CapCut editing. So everything, the visuals are there. Storyline, storytelling, technical, creative visions. I love this. Like a website, an AI cannot be this detailed. Like an AI cannot be this detailed. You understand? All you need to do is just put in your name, your information, everything that you want to put in, and this AI will create you something beautiful. Look at the background now. How I use AI apps, image generation, audio enchanting, text editing, content ideas. Like the outline is mad. The outline is beautiful. Client testimonials. They gave me client testimonials. Like, look at my clients now. Clients, they write. Client number 1, testimony number 2, testimony number 3. You see that? Let's work together. This app is that one app. Now, if you come here, right? This is the portfolio they'll give you, and you can change everything on this portfolio if you want to change. When you click these 3 lines up here, you see Wokobuchi, it comes here. You click again the 3 lines about me, it gives you the about me. So you can actually click, you see, when you click, double click on it, it tells you can edit. You can edit what you want to edit, put what you want to input, and remove what you want to remove. Now here, you click on here. Let's click on here. Yeah. So once you double click, sorry, my click is disturbing anyways. So once you double click, you click and change what you want to change. Let's go to the story side. Visual editing, you go to visual editing. This is what they have. Okay. You can just do double click on top and change what you want to change. I love this. I love this. You understand? It is very easy for everybody to be able to create their portfolio right now, because trust me when I say everybody wants a portfolio, everybody wants a portfolio. The only thing is they don't know how to do it. You see, like here now, this, you can actually cancel it, take off what you want to take off, write what you want to write with your own hands. Nobody is going to beat you. You can change what you want to change with your own hands. Okay, so when you come to this app, don't want to run off, or don't want to, how do I use AI apps, client testimony and all that, don't run from this app. Okay, go on the app. This is the home page. Okay, this is the first one I generated. You remember this first one I generated? Now I did not give it that theme and all that because I was still learning this. Now this is the second one that I generated, and here you have different options. Share, you can share. Website, here you can see image generate. You can see generate image on this website as well. Oh yes, you can generate. Now they give free coins. For those of you asking me for free coins, this one they give 400 free coins. I already used 80. Yeah, I already used 80, so I have 320 left. So to generate one portfolio, they just cut 40 coins per portfolio. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? It's cheap and it's free. Oh, it's free. It's free. If your 400 coins finish and they ask you to pay, okay, well, yeah, pay, because I don't know how many portfolios you want to generate in, except you want to be generating images as well, or you want to generate portfolio for people and collect money. Now, here is something else I wanted to teach you, how to get your portfolio link. You need to click on here where it says save. Yeah, you click on here. So like this, you click on here. You click on these three buttons up here, the three dots up there. You click on export. Then you export PDF. You export it PDF. When you export it PDF, now you can take the link and copy it on any website of your choice. Your Instagram, you paste it on your Instagram, paste it on your whatever page. So you see how it comes out now. This is how it is. So this is how your website will this is, hey God, I beg you. This is how your portfolio go lie down straight. You see, your portfolio will be like this. So tell me how that looks, man. See. About me. Can you even in your 30th years, can you create this? If they give you 30 years secret portfolio, tell me, will you be able to create this? It is so nice. Like, it's so beautiful. It's so nice. I love it. And easy to deal with as well. So yeah, go for it, guys. Like I said, you can change anything you want to change, or everything is changeable. This picture here, change it and remove it and put yours. Easy peasy. Okay, so yeah.